Imagine a tiny rodent dropping that quietly turns your lungs into a flooded battlefield. What if one deep breath from the wrong corner of your shed could lead to your body turning against itself in ways that still amaze scientists? Stick around for the awe-inspiring truths.
Hey guys and girls, Hantavirus, or more precisely, viruses in the Orthohantavirus genus, family Hantaviridae, is a sneaky RNA virus.
See, it belongs to the viral family that hangs out in rodents without hurting them much.
In us humans, it triggers two main serious illnesses: Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS, in the Americas, where your lungs fill with fluid, and hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome, HFRS, elsewhere, which hits the kidneys hard.
All right, let's talk about the cause of it.
Specific hantaviruses like Sin-Nombre virus, carried by deer mice, or Andes virus. These bad boys enter through our lungs after we breathe in tiny particles from rodent, pee, poop, or saliva. Once inside, they target the cells lining our blood vessels. They don't destroy them directly. Instead, they spark a massive overreaction from our immune system, like a wild house party that floods the place. This causes leaky blood vessels, especially in the lungs. After that sneaky exposure, it takes 1 to 8 weeks, sometimes around 2 to 4 weeks, for symptoms to hit. No rush from the virus. It plays the long game while your body starts noticing something's off. Variability depends on the exact virus and how much you got exposed to. Picture this. Your immune system goes full superhero mode, but accidentally floods your lungs with fluid, making breathing super tough. It causes inflammation and leaky capillaries without the virus killing the cells outright. In all of our bodies, our own defense system can become the main drama. This can lead to low blood pressure and heart strain too. These viruses have ancient roots tied to rodents across the globe. The first big human spotlight came during the Korean War in the 1950s when thousands of soldiers got sick. Scientists isolated Hantavirus in 1976 near the Hanta River, hence the name. The 1,993 Four Corners outbreak in the US revealed the pulmonary version linked to deer mice. Nature's been evolving these quietly for ages. The outbreak was brought to the attention of the World Health Organization, and the wider public following reports from a Dutch cruise ship carrying a cluster of passengers and crew members suffering from severe respiratory illness. The vessel had a total of 147 passengers and crew on board, of whom 34 had already disembarked before the outbreak was fully recognized. Following the initial report, additional cases were confirmed in various locations. 3 cases were confirmed on the 4th of May, 2026, and another case was confirmed on the 8th of May, 2026. In total, 8 confirmed cases were recorded, including 3 fatalities. All right, what are the symptoms your body indicates early on? Fever, bad muscle aches, like you got hit by a truck, headache, and tummy troubles. Then it can hit hard shortness of breath, tight chest, lungs filling up. Some folks see kidney issues or bleeding. Atypical cases might look like a bad flu at first, so doctors stay sharp. Guys and girls, don't ignore that sudden breathing trouble after cleaning a dusty shed. Without quick hospital care, it can be deadly, around 38% for severe HPS cases. Survivors might deal with lasting fatigue or organ stress, but many bounce back fully with support. The awe here? Our bodies can recover remarkably when given the right help. The main way it can get to you is breathing in dust with rodent droppings, not usually person to person, except rare cases with Andes virus in close contact. No magic airborne spread like colds. It pops up where rodents thrive, rural areas, sheds, campsites. Common misconception, it's not from touching mice directly every time. Aerosols do the sneaky work. Well, no specific cure or vaccine yet, but supportive care in the hospital saves lives. Oxygen, fluids, breathing help. Early recognition is key. With good care, many pull through. Scientists are working on more targeted options, filling us all with hope. Wild fact, the virus chills harmlessly in rodents like a perfect roommate, but flips the switch in humans. Our immune cytokine storm does most of the damage, mind-blowing teamwork gone sideways. Also, cleaning without a mask can aerosolize the threat like a horror movie plot twist. So how do we prevent it? Seal up your home against mice, use masks and gloves when cleaning sheds or garages, and wet down areas first to avoid dust clouds. Trap rodents safely. These steps work because they block the tiny particles from reaching your lungs. Simple biology win. Guys and girls, stay safe out there. Hantavirus shows us nature's incredible, sometimes scary balance. Understanding it deeper fills us with awe and arms us with knowledge.
And also, don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, we are going to be talking about other pathogens that disturb the human life.
Stay curious, stay safe, and keep learning. Your body and science are more amazing than you know. See you in the next deep dive.